Hello and welcome. The Watertight Geometry Workflow in Ansys Fluent Meshing is a guided workflow designed to quickly mesh any clean watertight geometry through a step-by-step process of simple intuitive inputs. When generating a mesh, it is often necessary to refine or coarsen the mesh in specific regions using the local sizing tools. A discussion regarding different types of local sizing techniques available in the Watertight Geometry Workflow and their impact on the mesh is the focus of this course. First, we will explore the edge, face, and body sizing techniques. Here, we will discuss aspects related to the setup and identify the use case for each of these techniques. Next, we will go into detail and understand the curvature and proximity local sizing techniques and their influence on the surface mesh distribution. Next, we will learn about local refinement regions. In addition to understanding how to set up the body of influence (BOI) and face of influence (FOI) sizing, we will also learn about special considerations when using Ansys space claim to generate geometries that include BOIs and FOIs. Furthermore, we will understand how to create BOIs from within the workflow using either the box or the offset surface technique. Using the provided files, you get to learn hands-on by following along with the lecture videos. Exciting, isn't it? Let's get started.